Ho, ho, everybody! We're at Kenwood House tonight on London's world-famous Hampstead Heath, sampling its immersive Christmas light trail. Oh, it's gorgeous! Festive foods, mulled wine and sensational light shows await, including a rainbow walk, a laser garden, a fairy path and its amazing Astral Avenue. What a mesmerizing experience this is! Oh, we can't wait! It's a truly magical world, a real light and sound adventure in the woods, getting you into the festive spirit in no time, disco balls included. Kenwood House has been turned into an enchanting and totally mesmerizing winter wonderland, and not just for the kids. Don't forget to subscribe to our super cool and free VIP newsletter online at TA-DAH.TV, Insta, Facebook and on YouTube too for more awesome adventures across Europe. Merry Christmas, everybody!